This is an NRFBox, a multi-tool device built around the nRF24 modules. This project was created by cifertech and is an open source on GitHub. It is designed for experimenting with Bluetooth, Bluetooth low energy, and jamming tests. Let me show you something interesting about how Bluetooth communication works. We got Protokill, where you can find Bluetooth as well as Bluetooth low energy. We have also got a separate place for BLE jammer, having the exact same two modes. And you can see it shows two radios active. It's the two NRF modules I have used in this project. So let's just try through Protokill instead. Right now, I have connected my laptop to an Alexa speaker via Bluetooth, and I am playing a copyright-free track in the background. Next, I will start a controlled interference test. You will notice the sound suddenly drops or become distorted, even though the song continues playing on the laptop. What's happening here is the Bluetooth connection between the two devices is being disrupted by overlapping radio activity. This shows how sensitive wireless connection can be when multiple 2.4 GHz devices are active in the same place. Now let me show you how the Wi-Fi jammer works. Here we have got wireless LAN jammer. Before doing that, we need to know our Wi-Fi channel. Wi-Fi channels are specific frequency ranges within the Wi-Fi band. For that, we need to scan the Wi-Fi. Let me show you my Wi-Fi SSIDD first. The first one with the strongest range should be my own Wi-Fi. Right-click to know the details, and here we can see it is on channel 11. Now I will try testing the internet speed on my laptop without Ethernet in the jammer on. You can see it's roughly giving about 100 megabytes per second download speed, as I have got too many walls between my router and my laptop. And we also get a decent upload speed of around 20 megabytes per second. Since we know the Wi-Fi channel, we can go all the way back to the wireless LAN jammer here. Set the channel to 11 using the down button. Set the PA levels using the left buttons. PA refers to the power amplifier. Basically, how strong you want to jam the Wi-Fi signal. Let's just keep it high. Let's just keep the data rates to 250 kilobytes per second and activate using the up button. Now give it a while to efficiently activate the jammer. You will see an indication on the breakout board. It's time we test the internet speed again. But before that, let me show you. It's still not connected on the Ethernet and is still on the same Wi-Fi as before. Now let's run the test, and you can see it's struggling to have even 2 megabytes per second. The jamming not necessarily means to cut the entire Wi-Fi, but it slows down to a great extent.